I've been comparing Gumroad and Lemon Squeezy throughout 2025, and while both platforms offer solutions for selling digital products, they cater to different needs and preferences. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize simplicity and a built-in audience or advanced features and lower fees. Gumroad is designed for creators seeking a straightforward platform to sell digital products. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to set up and start selling quickly. Gumroad supports digital downloads, subscriptions, and memberships, providing a basic set of tools suitable for beginners. However, it charges a 10% transaction fee on each sale, which can add up for high-volume sellers. Additionally, customization options are limited, and advanced marketing features like upsells and cart abandonment emails are not available. Lemon Squeezy, on the other hand, is tailored for sellers who require more control and advanced functionalities. It supports a wide range of digital products, including software with license keys, and offers features like drip content, PDF stamping, and video streaming. Lemon Squeezy provides robust marketing tools, including one-click upsells, cart abandonment recovery, and affiliate program management. Its pricing is transaction-based, with lower fees compared to Gumroad, making it more cost-effective for growing businesses. However, Lemon Squeezy requires a bit more technical setup and is better suited for users with an existing website or online presence. If you're a beginner looking for a simple, plug-and-play solution to start selling digital products, Gumroad is a suitable choice. Conversely, if you need advanced features, greater customization, and more control over your sales process, Lemon Squeezy offers a more comprehensive solution. If this comparison helped you determine which platform aligns better with your digital selling needs, please like the video, share it with someone exploring e-commerce platforms, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.